Good evening, friends. This is Balasubramanian Iyer welcoming you to E-mini Futures by Sell.com. The topic of this video is gold versus Bitcoin, and the rhetorical question that I am posing is gold a dead investment? In fact, I'm going to make the case that those who are investing in gold, I'm not talking about trading, those who are investing in gold is a losing proposition, and I want you to open your eyes and see what's going on in the world. And this is the Bitcoin chart, okay? And Bitcoin has gone up 300% in the last 6 months to 1 year. Now, before I expand on that, a quick word on crude oil. Today, for my clients, early in the morning at 6 o'clock, I sent an email asking them to go long gold, go long oil. No, never gold, go long oil. And the reason I gave that the hedge funds have a net long position in oil due to the CFTC, and in spite of all the OPEC mumbo jumbo, okay, on all the hoopla on the OPEC news. And I said to go long oil, and I said put the stop. I also said what can make my buy oil go wrong if the US inventory, which is going to come this week on Thursday, if they are bad, that could throw a kibosh into my call, okay? Other than this kibosh, my oil, and after I gave the buy, even though today is a Memorial Day, in the oil futures market, oil went up $500. So some bragging rights, okay? I do deserve it because I did a great job. You have to agree. Okay, now let's come to Bitcoin. You see Bitcoin in the last 1 year, this is a current, and this is in US dollar, is around $2,400, has gone up from $800 to $2,400. And if you look at Bitcoin over the last 4 years, it has had a parabolic move up. Now, why is that? Okay, first of all, Bitcoin is not controlled. It cannot be controlled and it cannot be manipulated by the global central banks. So there is economics 101. Whenever there is an imbalance between demand and supply, meaning demand is huge, supply is very limited, price goes up. That's why Bitcoin prices are going up. There is a shortage of Bitcoin and there is a huge demand. And unlike gold, where there is a paper market and a physical market, there is no such mumbo jumbo in Bitcoin. There is only one market, and that is the electronic market. You know, Bitcoin is a digital currency like Ethereum, KIK and all that, KIK. So, and there are no global central banks printing Bitcoin and creating Bitcoin out of thin air and trying to bring it down. That's the reason. There is imbalance between demand and supply, no central bank manipulation, and look what Bitcoin is doing. Now let me switch to gold, and I will show you what's going on. And this is from 2013, okay? From 2013 till now, what has gold done? What have gold investors achieved? Zero. Gold has been a dead investment. Anybody who invested in gold is a loser. But they don't see it. They're blind. They're blind. I want them to watch this video and see the difference between Bitcoin and gold. Now, here is a funny story about gold. You know, these gold bulls and bugs, or gold bugs or gold bulls, they will say that gold goes up during inflation. And when that does not happen and you tell them, hey, but you know, right now we have deflation, then they will say gold goes up during deflation too. So I tell them, listen, make up your mind. Either gold goes up during inflation or gold goes up during deflation. It can't be doing both. So do you get it? These jokers, these gold bulls, they don't know the answer. They're lying to you. They don't know the answer. They just made up that gold goes up during inflation. When that was proved wrong, they started lying again that gold goes up during deflation. How can it be? Think logic. You see, they don't know the answer and they're just bluffing all the time. And you can see from 2013 till 2017, we had deflation, inflation, stagflation, stagnation, everything. What did gold achieve? Zilch. Okay? Gold is a dead investment. Investing in gold stocks is a dead idea. Trading in gold, that's a different discussion. In fact, I gave for my clients, I sorry, I asked them to go long gold on 24th of May, and I gave a stop loss and two targets I delivered. I do trade gold and I do go long gold, but here I'm talking about investment. I'm not talking about trading. By the way, I asked my clients to go long Canadian dollar on 24th of May, and that has been a huge success. Huge success. Okay, I'm bullish on Canadian dollar. I think CAD is going up, and euro too. I'm telling you, invest in FXE, euro, US dollar. If you go long and hold it till December, you're going to be a happy person. You're going to be smiling and you're going to have a wonderful Christmas. Go long euro, US dollar. Best investment idea for 2017. Remaining 6 months. Pound dollar depends on the election. Labour Party, if they have a surprise victory, all bets on pound is off. Okay. Now let's come back to gold. Why is it that the price of gold can never go up? Why am I so pessimistic on gold? And the answer, you need to understand the logic. Okay, there is always a logic. Like when I gave a buy oil, I gave a logic, and I also gave a logic why my decision can go wrong. You have to be humble. There's no question of being right. I can be wrong. So I covered myself. Now let's go back to gold. Why is this happening? You see, in gold there are two markets, my friend. One is a physical market and another is a paper market. A lot of people are under the misconception. I'm talking about the salaried class, the lay people. They think that the price of gold is determined by the demand and supply in the physical market. Answer, wrong. Zero. Zilch. That's not the case. The price of gold is determined in the paper market, and in the paper market is controlled by the global central banks. What is happening is, if JP Morgan or Goldman Sachs or a bank in Europe, Deutsche Bank, anytime they decide, they get a call from the central bank governor, bring down the price of gold, all they have to do is to just generate, they can sell gold on paper without even owning gold. Think about it. By common sense, can you sell a car without owning a car? Can you sell a home without owning a home? Can you sell an agricultural land without owning a land? But when it comes to gold market, these central banks, JP Morgan, gold, they can sell millions and billions of gold contracts, all paper, out of thin air, manufactured on the computer. It's not physical gold. They can just dump it and knock the price of gold. That's what they have been doing, my friend. They are not allowing the price of gold to go up, and they will never allow it. They will never allow it. Why is that? Because that's a big discussion. Another thing I want to tell you, in this period, all the geopolitical events happen. North Korea, ISIS, Paris bombing, Bataclan bombing, bombing, Manchester bombing, all kinds of tension. QE1, QE3, QE4, QE2 infinity, then ECB, Draghi, Greek bailout. Everything happened in this 4 years. Yet the price of gold did not go up. Why? With all the geopolitical terrorism every other day is going on, why is gold not going up? You see, this is the point, because these global central banks manipulate the price by paper printing gold. They can manufacture gold in thin air. Gold does not come out of the mine, it comes out of the computers of the central banks. That's the reason why investing in gold, I'm not talking about trading, investing in gold is a dead idea. Let me tell you, the Indian women, the younger generation, they are not wearing bangles, and I'm come from India. They are not wearing jewelry. They're not even wearing the Indian sari. They are not interested in the stupid gold. So anybody who's talking crap in the Western world, the Indian women and the Chinese women, they are in love with gold. They are talking about a bygone era. The new generation, younger generation in China and India, they are not interested in gold jewelry and gold. Okay, they are all aping the Western culture. So the future of gold is extremely bleak. And also, if all these cryptocurrencies, these digital currencies like Ethereum, Bitcoin, Kik, and all these things explode, and the more and more we go into a cashless economy and a digital economy, Bitcoin and other digital currencies will wipe out gold. Gold has no future, and already I'm showing you the truth. Okay, and so for all these reasons, don't invest in gold. Now I'm going to give you an explosive idea how to make money trading gold. All this while I talked about investing gold. I'm going to finish this video. If you want to know how to buy gold and when to sell gold from a trading point of view, the answer does not lie in the gold chart. The answer, this is a secret, you look at the US dollar Japanese yen chart. The US dollar Japanese yen chart will give you the signal when to buy gold and when to sell gold. This is the best kept secret. In my next video, I will expose this secret so you can make money very easily. People waste millions of hours studying the gold chart when the true answer is in another chart. Okay? This is the beauty. Anyway, I'll address that in another video. But I'm telling you, gold, investing in gold in 4 years, the investors in gold have been wiped out. They have been wiped out. They've been taken to the cleaners. Whereas those who invested in Bitcoin, they are smiling. Okay? God bless you all. Bye for now.